Okay, dollar is just a mess here, but it's a tight, high-level consolidation. I'm still looking for that last push up in the US dollar, and therefore, conversely, I'm still looking for that last drop down in the euro. Now, the euro here off this B wave is either 212s, or we're starting to morph into a final diagonal for this last little bit down in the euro. I'm not looking a lot lower, I'm not looking a lot higher in the dollar, but just to finish off the patterns before we then get the corrective moves in the opposite direction. Cable, I'm looking for a C of 4 up before we drop down here to the 122.20 area, and all of that then would be the wave 1 of a much bigger degree, wave 3. So if you refer to the daily chart, I'm still looking, I think we're in the 4 of this one here, drop down here, then this move back up is the short for a lot lower in cable after that. US dollar, Japanese yen's pulling back in that B wave of this 3 that we're looking for. Watch 112.96, 112.79 and 112.57. Hit and hold one of those gives you a long trade entry up to 115.09 next with a tight stop. US dollar, Australian dollar is starting to bounce now. It can still make another small low. This can be a 4. Or we're in this B wave. There's the target for it on the 4-hour and 1-hour charts, and after that I'm looking for a C down to hit those long-term targets in order to get short. If you've taken the long off the move into the support zone in the Australian dollar, then the stop needs to be at 71.50, and you know, if we would take this area out, then this was a 1 up, 2 back, but this really does not look to me like a corrective structure. It looks like a 5-wave move down for an A wave of a bigger corrective structure in the Australian dollar. Quick look at bonds. They're just consolidating here, looking for a small drop down to 117.37, then a move up to 120, 121 area in TLT